And a good midday on this Saturday. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights, VELCO Weather Hazards forecaster. We have the VELCO Weather Hazards Outlook. One thing to notice here at 500 millibars or hectopascals thickness here, you can see the big ridge of higher pressure. This has brought some really excellent weather to the region. Of course, we have a band of rain showers off to the west. This is pushing in with moist air coming around the backside, coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, and certainly providing fuel for shower and thunderstorm activity almost on a daily basis. Another resupply of moisture coming in for another day of severe weather in the Great Plains. Back out west, we have a trough of lower pressure, even producing a little bit of snow, mostly rain showers in the lowest elevations. But our immediate worry here will be just a little bit of shower activity and maybe occasionally a rumble of thunder. That'll be mixed in off and on over the course of the next few days. So we'll be watching that along with temperatures that make a little bit of a warm-up. In fact, on Sunday, we're looking at a real nice day in terms of temperatures. Let's take a look at the temperature setup. As you can see, it's relatively warm basically this morning, and these temperatures are advecting from southwest to northeast, and this is what's going to supply some warmer weather into the region as early as tomorrow Sunday. There's the winds. Let's take a look at the computer modeling world. We have the GFS deterministic on the right-hand side, the European on the left-hand side, and good agreement, nice ridge of higher pressure, and this continues to begin to funnel in on that southwesterly flow. Some rain shower activity reaching the area roughly by about 8 p.m. this evening. This will continue to move across the region. And there could even be a couple thunderstorms that make a little bit of a track here and try to make it into the western parts of Vermont. Most of these remain across New York State, but we'll see this from time to time. A little bit of showers continuing into the morning hours on Sunday, and then a bit of a brief break. And then we have another chance for some late afternoon shower and thunderstorm activity across mainly northern parts of Vermont. And this is especially going to be notable for the Champlain Valley. This area of higher pressure, a very, very strong area of higher pressure at that, tracking across Hudson Bay, pretty cold up there, and that dense air is going to force a ridge southward, and that's going to open the door here, as it looks, for a dry project weather day on Monday. So that's good news there. Beyond that, another round of showers and maybe perhaps a couple embedded thunderstorms could be in the region on Tuesday, especially late in the afternoon Tuesday, and then that moves on out, and that's the end of the line. And our next customer is a little bit of a showery period that works in on Tuesday night into Wednesday. Most of those showers then push on out. We're using the European deterministic now. And then we have a break in the action beyond that for Thursday, and so that brings a little drier weather into the region, and incidentally some decent amounts of sunshine as well, so that looks pretty good. And this continues, it looks like, for a little while until we get into basically late in the day Thursday, and then we're looking at some more showers begin to work on in. A stringy frontal boundary here will probably provide a lot of moisture and a lot of cloud cover as we end the outlook period and go into probably next week. And then beyond that, you can just see a lot of showers kind of along a stringy frontal boundary that will be pushing into the region as we head into basically about the 7th of May. Looking at the 3-hour QPF on the GFS ensemble, you can see that kind of a noise in the system, a little one day off here. This is going to be what's going to take place on Monday, then more showery weather, and then potentially another day along about Thursday. Looking at the total of QPF, the amounts look like this. The good news is that we're looking at all rain all the time, precipitation type looking good for rainfall. So no issues in terms of wind, nor any snow. Total QPF for this period, roughly about an inch in the blue line here and 1.5 inches, a little bit more across points to the west, a little bit drier conditions across the eastern portions and southern portions of New England. And we're looking at 2-meter temperatures. You can see just near to a little bit below normal off the coast, a little bit above normal in terms of temperature anomalies here, colder across parts of Canada. Meteorological output statistics show that we are seeing a warming trend working on a southwesterly flow. We're pretty close to neutral, just running about 3 degrees above normal. Do not have the 3 days later, but I can show you the current conditions, which are looking pretty fantastic across the region currently on this Saturday. Enjoy, and even warmer during the day tomorrow. Unfortunately, a little wetter. That's it from here. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.